Hello, my name is Dr. Amanda Lazar, and I'm an associate professor and researcher in the College of Information at the University of Maryland. As part of the TRACE RERC, I run the Health, Aging, and Technology Lab, which specializes in research related to older adults and technology. Recently, I had the opportunity to be a panelist at the American Medical Informatics Association Annual Symposium. Our session was on digital ageism and informatics research involving older adults with cognitive impairment. Generative artificial intelligence, or Gen AI, is software that has the ability to learn and respond to prompts given to it. It is trained on specific sets of data and then responds based on that data and what it can get from the internet. Digital ageism encompasses the age-related biases that are inherent in the design, development, and implementation of AI systems and technologies. For example, representation bias is when the dataset used for training the AI model inadequately reflects the diversity of the user population. The AI could have been trained on a dataset that only included information about one older adult with a specific experience, so it may not understand that older adults can all be different and have different experiences. When AI is trained poorly, it can lead to inaccurate predictions about conditions that older adults may have, unfair or discriminatory outcomes, or an erosion of public trust. Some of the panelists discussed how user-centered design has the potential to mitigate digital ageism. User-centered design relies on the researcher's ability to infer real insights from their participants, and participants sharing real needs with researchers. However, ageist assumptions about older adults and their technology usage can still be prevalent in the user-centered design process. For example, developers may focus on the experiences and thoughts of caregivers over older adults, especially when older adults have different styles of communication or cognitive changes. If older people are not considered as end users when we design Gen AI, then these products will be less useful and less usable. Older adults may choose to avoid using these technologies just so they do not experience anxiety or frustration. User-centered design has a potential to mitigate ageism, but by itself will not ameliorate all forms of ageism. Assumptions about who our end users are and expectations for a passive role of people with cognitive impairment will limit our ability to support this group and may harm them. So, finding ways to challenge assumptions and stereotypes about older people will lead to concrete and honest information and designs.